All right, guys, we are going to talk about this hair. We are going to talk about this hair.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do?
All right, guys, so you know that I love short hair. I absolutely love my short hair, and I have been trying out products for you guys, right? So this product that I am about to show you today, I have had it for a long time, but I have never used it all over my head because I was afraid to. Now, we have our regular routine of what we use, and that is water. We're always going to use water, guys, in a spray bottle, and sulfurate. So if y'all been keeping up with videos, y'all know that I have been using the water and the sulfurate in the morning and at night, and you know, sometimes I'll use aloe vera juice. And one of my favorite products that I found that I'm always keeping my arsenal is Hawaiian Silk 14-in-1. So I showed you all of those products. Now, guys, I am gearing towards products that's going to work on natural hair and what I have now, natural hair and texturized hair. So if you have a TWA or longer hair, or just want to try to loosen up your hair strand and things of that nature, I'm showing you everything that will work. Now, guys, I got up and did my regular routine. I sprayed my water and I did my sulfurate. You know, I greased my scalp with that. But I was noticing when I went to set the sides of my hair for my crochet wig that my hair started looking softer. It was curling up and I liked it. Now, we're still experimenting with all this, guys, but you know, I liked the way it looked. I liked it so much that I went on and took a chance on putting this all over my head. There's some good things about it. There's some bad things about it. We're going to get to that. So, first, let me show you my hair, guys. Let me show you my hair. Now, you know I cut all my hair off July 29th, and I did not go for evenness, so it's not even, and I constantly clip my ends on the regular, right? So we're just into taking care of our hair right now and finding a product. That's what we're into right now. But we still want to look good while we do it, right? So I got up this morning, I sprayed water on my hair, I greased my scalp. That's my day and night routine. This morning, I added, believe it or not, got to be glue. Now, guys, I set my hair on the side every day, and I put on my crochet wig or I put on my Effie ponytail because I know that this will hold my hair. When I get ready to comb through this gel, even if I wet it, it's just hard, it's gummy. It comes off in white balls and things of that nature. I noticed that my curls were soft and that they wasn't hardening. I even waited for a little bit to see if they were going to harden up, and they didn't. So as I was setting my hair, I was trying to convince myself to go ahead and do it. So I went on and slowly just did parts of my hair to, you know, to style it. And I played in it for a little bit, and I know that I have to trim down the back, so I'm going to give you another turn. And like I said, this is in just the experimenting phase of it, but guys, I am liking it. Tomorrow, I will come back and tell you what it ended up doing at night when I went to set my hair. Did I comb my hair out? You know, did I wrap it up? And things of that nature. I do want to get my clippers and go in here a little bit more. And I'm just going to come back and tell you how this acted. Do I have to apply it every day? Can I just wet it and reset my hair? Will it hold? So it's given. It's given. I'm liking the way that my hair is looking, and I will be experimenting with it with different styles and different sets. But I wonder, by greasing my hair, and also adding my water. Did that help loosen that up, but give me just enough hold that I needed to be able to wear my style the way I want to wear it. Now guys, as my hair grow out, I am even going to try to use this to have a wave pattern in my hair. So like I said, right now, I'm just experimenting with how it looks. And to tell you the truth, guys, I was going to color my hair. I was going to color it and go blacker, but for some reason, my hair looks black. Putting this all over my head, my hair looks black. So, all right, guys. So since this is the first time that I have used Got2b glue all over my head, then we are going to see if we have to reapply this every day. Is it going to gum up in our hair? Can we just wet it and reuse it? We're going to see if it's going to dry our hair out, moisturize our hair, or is it going to just keep our hair set for how many days? Well, guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. You are the reason why my channel is growing. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list.